everyone, this is me Madhav. Happy to see you all again after Realme 8 series launch event. I was going through my social media account and I can see the enthusiasm of the fans which was running really high. You all know I have recently finished drifting. It was quite a thrill, and driving one of the fastest cars in the world is a challenge itself. However, I enjoy the same excitement like managing world's fastest growing technology brand. There is another challenge that I am going to take today for the fans of Realme only. At Realme, we dare to go beyond the limits to create an unparalleled experience for our users. I'm sure that you must have seen numerous unboxing videos of different smartphones till date. Today is not going to be a regular unboxing session because I'm going to unbox not just one or two smartphones but 108 Realme 8 Pro with 108 megapixel camera, and that too in just 3 minutes. Before we start counting the time, let me unbox the first phone and show you the look and feel of Realme 8 Pro. The first thing you will notice is that we have updated the camera layout with Realme 8 series. The square looks unique and premium. The cherry on the top is 108 megapixel camera sensor, the highest pixel till date on a smartphone. As I have always said, pixel is not everything. Software tuning and camera features matters more. We have introduced tilt shift mode first in the industry. Tilt shift mode gives you a special view towards the whole world. Just like the buildings and the people in the real world are turned into miniature models. Here are some of the samples which I have taken. People also love to take portrait pictures. That is why we have added some never before new portrait modes like dynamic bokeh, neon portrait mode. Let me show you some of the samples taken over on this phone. The 108 megapixel infinite clarity camera on Realme 8 Pro is not just a camera of pixels but a camera full of fun. Remember to try it yourself. There are two features that any new mid-rangers in 2021 have to equip: fast charging and in-display fingerprint sensor. Let me talk about the charging first. Realme 8 Pro comes with a 50-watt super dart charge that can take your battery bar from 0 to 50% in just 17 minutes. Don't try this new technology before you are completely ready. Why? Because once you have tried this new technology, you will never ever go back to your previous slow charging solutions. As the world's fastest growing smartphone brand, Realme hates to wait. Same like Realme users, they are young and efficient. Let's talk about the display. Realme 8 Pro comes with an always-on Super AMOLED display to help you experience the next level picture quality smoothly. A standard technology goes with a Super AMOLED display is the in-display fingerprint sensor. It won't be technologically available with normal LCD display. The most advanced way to unlock your phone is to unlock it from the display. A flagship feature. You all know there are three pillars from Realme product: design, performance and quality. Unlike any other smartphone brand, Realme attaches great importance on design, be it C series or X series. For Realme 8 series, we have kept super light and slim in the mind. With infinite bold design from Realme, slim as 8.1 mm and light as 176 gram. It is around 15% slimmer and lighter than other average smartphones in the segment. The premium look and feel is something you have to have hands on and get ready to be amazed. That's all for the introduction. Now it's time for the show of the day. I'm gonna challenge myself to unbox 108 phones in 3 minutes now. So let's start. so it seems that I cannot finish the challenge. I've unboxed 8 phones in 3 minutes. There are still many phones left. Seems unboxing phones takes more time than I've assumed. But I'm still happy. After all, challenge is a challenge. With every challenge, you should have a right attitude towards success and failure. Now I'm throwing a challenge to all of you watching this. Do a creative unboxing video of your current smartphone and tell me why you want to upgrade it to Realme 8 Pro. Upload your unboxing video on your Twitter profile and tag me. I'll give away all this 108 Realme 8 Pro to 108 talented users to make some cool content out of it. Isn't it exciting, guys? So what are you waiting for? Just go to Realme social media handle and check for more details. Now I will call upon my Realme team to unbox the rest of the phones with me. So are you guys ready now? So let's go. Thank you, my team. Use Realme 8 Pro 108 megapixel camera to capture infinity. Time has begun, my friends. It's your moment to take the leap and explore infinite possibilities with the all-new Realme 8 Pro. It's me, Madhav, signing off. Take care and stay healthy.
Realme, dare to live.